In the frantic world of real estate, many investors find themselves caught in a relentless cycle of stress, poring over charts and spreadsheets, grappling with decisions that feel increasingly high stakes. The pressure is immense, the stakes are rising, and the path forward often seems shrouded in uncertainty. Every news cycle screams about market speculation, housing bubbles, and the impending doom or meteoric rise of property values. This constant stream of conflicting information fuels anxiety, pushing many into hasty, ill-informed decisions driven by fear or greed. For countless families, the dream of homeownership feels more distant than ever as housing affordability reaches critical levels across major metropolitan areas. Rows upon rows of homes, yet somehow, the entry point remains out of reach, a constant reminder of a broken market. The digital landscape is flooded with flashy online investment ads, promising overnight riches and effortless profit. They tap into our deepest desires for financial freedom, but often lead down paths of shallow, unsustainable gains, distracting us from what truly builds wealth. Paradoxically, amidst the housing crisis, we witness entire developments standing empty or half-finished, a stark symbol of misallocated capital and market inefficiencies. These ghost towns of potential represent a missed opportunity, a place where real value is often overlooked. But what if the true edge lies not in chasing headlines, but in the meticulous, often unglamorous work of identifying genuine value? It's about careful inspection, understanding fundamentals, and seeing potential where others only see problem. The relentless march of urban sprawl continues, pushing city limits outwards and diluting the core value of metropolitan areas. This expansion, while creating new communities, often comes at the cost of genuine character and long-term sustainability. Yet, amidst this outward push, a new opportunity emerges: the revitalized suburban downtowns. These are areas reclaiming their identity, transforming into vibrant hubs that offer a balanced lifestyle and growing commercial appeal, away from the intense competition of the urban core. Understanding these shifts requires more than surface-level observation. It demands a deep dive into demographic reports, analyzing population growth, income levels, and employment trends. This data reveals the true drivers of demand, pointing towards areas poised for sustainable growth. The cornerstone of any resilient real estate portfolio lies in stable neighborhood homes. These are properties in areas with strong community ties, good schools, and consistent demand, offering a buffer against market volatility and a reliable foundation for appreciation. Strategic property renovation planning isn't just about aesthetics, it's about unlocking intrinsic value. By carefully calculating and executing upgrades, investors can significantly enhance a property's appeal and market worth, transforming an ordinary asset into an extraordinary investment. History teaches us that true property growth is not a sudden spike, but a gradual organic process. We can observe how towns and cities have evolved over decades, identifying the patterns of expansion and revitalization that signal long-term potential, rather than chasing fleeting trends. To truly understand value, we must move beyond simple comparisons and delve into detailed property value comparison charts, dissecting data, metrics, and indicators that reveal a property's true standing in the market. This analytical rigor is critical. While daily economic housing news often focuses on national averages and broad market swings, the savvy investor understands that real opportunities are found in micro-markets, areas defying generalized downturns or poised for individual surges. Consider the impact of a revitalized commercial street. A bustling hub signals a healthy local economy, attracting residents and businesses, which in turn elevates property values and rental demand in the surrounding areas. This is the heartbeat of a growing community. The path to finding these hidden gems is often illuminated through investor mentorship. Learning from experienced professionals, analyzing their successes and failures, and adopting a disciplined approach based on proven strategies can shortcut years of trial and error. In our always-on digital world, every market fluctuation, every new listing, can trigger an anxious app user, constantly checking, fearing they're missing out. This relentless digital consumption often replaces careful thought with impulsive reaction. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is a powerful psychological force in real estate. It creates bubbles and drives irrational exuberance, convincing investors to chase overpriced assets simply because everyone else seems to be doing it. We've all seen the crowd following a trend, rushing into what's hot right now. In real estate, this herd mentality often leads to buying at the peak and selling in a panic, driven by collective emotion rather than individual analysis. Our brain's reward system is wired to seek immediate gratification, making it difficult to resist the allure of quick gains. This biological imperative can be an investor's greatest enemy, pushing us away from the patient, long-term strategies that truly build wealth. The antidote to emotional investing is focused property analysis. This means diligently researching market data, understanding local nuances, and objectively assessing a property's true value and potential, free from external pressures. Sound financial planning meetings are crucial, turning abstract goals into concrete steps. This discipline helps investors mitigate risks, allocate capital wisely, and stay true to their long-term vision, even when the market sends mixed signals. Imagine the satisfaction of transforming an overlooked property into a desirable, renovated rental property. This hands-on approach to value creation provides stable income and tangible asset growth, proving that diligent work pays off. The real hidden edge often lies in growing secondary cities, not the overheated primary market. These areas, characterized by steady job growth and improving infrastructure, offer accessible entry points and significant appreciation potential as their economies mature. Behind every truly successful property investor is a story of strategic foresight, patient execution, and a commitment to long-term value. They understand that wealth is built brick by brick, not by lottery tickets. And the fruits of their labor are clear, consistent, predictable rental income charts demonstrate the power of well-managed properties to generate passive wealth. This steady cash flow is the lifeblood of a sustainable investment strategy. Furthermore, investing in these communities goes beyond personal gain. Participating in community development meetings means contributing to the fabric of local life, fostering growth that benefits everyone, and creating truly desirable places to live and work. The foundation of this successful strategy lies in rigorous real estate data analysis. It's about sifting through countless data points, identifying trends, and spotting anomalies that others miss, building a clear, objective picture of market opportunities. A detailed property inspection, followed by a smart renovation plan, is where potential transforms into profit. This hands-on understanding of a property's physical state and its upgrade possibilities is a key differentiator. Identifying undervalued market metrics, such as price-to-rent ratios, job growth in specific sectors, or infrastructure investments, allows you to pinpoint areas with genuine, latent potential that are yet to be recognized by the mainstream. A trusted real estate agent consultation isn't just about closing a deal. It's about gaining local market intelligence, understanding zoning, and navigating regulation. This expert guidance is invaluable in executing your strategy effectively. Ultimately, this all feeds into comprehensive long-term financial planning. Real estate isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a vehicle for sustained wealth creation, requiring patience, foresight, and a well-defined financial roadmap. The hallmark of a truly resilient investor is a diversified property portfolio, strategically spread across different property types and markets. This diversification minimizes risk and maximizes exposure to varied growth opportunities. Underpinning this success is an understanding of the broader economic stability graph. Factors like GDP growth, inflation, and interest rates all play a role, but it's the microeconomic picture of specific regions that holds the real keys to consistent returns. Crucially, look for areas with stable employment growth. A growing job market attracts residents, increases demand for housing, and supports rising rental rates and property values, creating a self-reinforcing cycle of prosperity. As we look to the future, integrating sustainable housing features is becoming not just an ethical choice, but a smart investment. These properties attract environmentally conscious tenants and buyers, often command higher rents, and benefit from long-term cost savings. The ultimate outcome of this strategy is a calm investor monitoring their portfolio, free from the daily anxieties that plague those chasing quick gains. It's a state of quiet confidence, built on solid data and disciplined decisions, watching true wealth accrue. This, then, is the hidden edge, choosing the less traveled path. It's stepping away from the chaotic mainstream, ignoring the siren call of speculation, and instead focusing on diligent research, intrinsic value, and long-term vision. This strategy isn't about fleeting trends, but about fostering consistent, long-term growth. It's the slow, steady rise of value that compounds over time, building genuine equity and providing lasting financial stability. Ultimately, this approach secures not just your financial future, but also the peace of mind and family financial security that truly matters. It's about building a legacy, one intelligent investment at a time. Join us at Keystone Property Advisors as we continue to uncover these hidden edges, empowering you to make smarter, more confident real estate decisions. The market is full of noise, but clarity awaits.